Next month, I think we're projecting about $250,000. From Valente Electrical, started pushing solar recently. 117 properties to install solar on.
117?
Yeah, so it's sort of fill your boots up until end of March. Yeah, it's going good. Our revenue's gone up. Next month, I think we're projecting about $250,000.
For a month,
which is quite good.
Jeez.
And obviously just try and hire some office staff. We've got some interviews lined up for admins and project managers. So yeah, it's getting really good.
Recruitment, $250,000 a month and 117 solar jobs. Okay, we'll have that one, yeah.
45 grand in sales this month. Sam Richard from Arc Electrical. So we've had busiest month to date, 45 grand in sales this month. 45 grand in sales, well done.
Best one.
6 of us in December, we're now at 9. So
right.
3 extra people in a month.
Good.
As of next week, I'll be off tools. So that's
next week off the tools as well.
That's a bonus.
Brilliant, mate. Well done.
January is normally quite quiet from previous years, but this has been my busiest January to date. Profit this month is 20 grand, which is
20 grand profit
for January. Yeah, considering normally I'm not very busy. So yeah, really good month. And yeah,
what's the first 6 months been like?
Yeah,
20 grand months. You can't really complain at that.
At the start, I was terrible salesman, and now I think I'm quite a bit better than I was. I learned a hell of a lot. So I mean, sales is a big part of it, isn't it?
It's great to see. Brilliant. Well done. Highest turnover?
85,000. Yeah, we've had a really good month as well. It's been our highest turnover.
Highest turnover? Yeah. Okay, go on then.
Yeah, 85,000. Yeah, so we're smashing the EV chargers now. We've got the leads sorted.
How's that feel?
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah, really good.
What month are you on? Do you mind me asking? When did you join?
November.
That's not bad.
No, that's it. Everything's come a lot better. So it was at 4 employees. Yeah. We're now up to 8 since joining.
You've doubled your employees in that time as well?
Yeah. So we've got...
and still making 15 grand profit?
Yeah.
Well, knocking them down there, really.
I could be on one project for 9 months to generate the same revenue or profit that you could do off 10 solar installs.
And get them done in a month.
And you'd be done in 20, 30 days.
Yeah. Got the nod on a 370 kilowatt solar system, just under 1,000 panels. Business is doing well. Past 6 months, we're winning contracts over $1 million. So yeah, business is good so far this year. Yeah.
But that's a pretty big job.
Yeah, it is.
Nice one. Well done. Cheers.
Yeah, hi everyone, Steve from SunSmart. Just closed out our first year. We came in at 350,000. We've got about £1 million worth of orders going forward to this year.
15 grand solar job over the line yesterday with Sean from SLC Solutions. Yeah, we've had a great month actually. We've just done 11 EV chargers. We managed to get a 15 grand solar job over the line yesterday, which is great. So
well done.
yeah, all good.
That's it, like that one. Glad you joined?
Yeah, all good.
Yeah, good. Happy days. Well done, guys. Nice one. Cheers.
Been an electrician for 40 years.
How many are you doing a month in EV then, roughly?
Do about 20.
20 a month, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's all good at the moment.
It's all good.
Every week.
You guys have got it good, haven't you, Sparkies? Nice one. Well done, mate.
Andy, we've had a 430 kilowatt system put on our books for a full overhaul. Currently got work out for 3 more lads as well. So I'm trying to take on an apprentice, an improver, and a full qualified solar PV lad. Yeah, since starting with you, since the discovery day, we've just taken off.
You've really kicked it up again then. Yeah, brilliant. You're making money, mate. You're making money. Well done. Nice one.
We're doing
cool.
All right.